second Pokemon video. Case opening thing. We got 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. We opened 4.
Yeah, 4.
We opened 4 on our last video. Yeah, it was pretty tasty.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna start opening them. Joby, you get 3.
Okay.
Alright.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is Joby. This was in our first video.
Yeah.
Here, I see something. Oh, I see something beautiful. No, I don't. It looks like a fucking Loch Ness monster. Alright, so remember the 3 off the top. I mean the 3 off the back. Whatever, same thing. We got this Jigglypuff thing. No, it's Clefairy.
Very.
Well, what do I?
Hey, did you just get this card?
Yep.
Yeah.
That
was
that
the
shizzies. Where the fuck did I put that card? I'm not. Nothing, anything. Wow, why are we getting. What is this? Can anyone tell me what that is? I've never seen that added ever. What's this fucking weirdo shit? Oh, that's a cat. Oh, that's a legendary. It's a pussy. It's a legendary. Ooh. Ow.
Oh, wait.
Oh my god, I got a fucking third one of this. Look what I got. Fucking another one of these things.
Pussy.
Pussy cat. Pussy. And I got really shitty
Hey,
things
that's
for
pretty
this
cute.
thing. This is the last thing. Why does that look like a fucking turtle of Mario?
I got one of those.
Alright, looks like we just got the triples.
Did you get these 2 cards in your pack?
Yep.
And a slow king?
Yep. Sorry guys for the dog noise in the background.
Duplicates.
Yeah, there's a bunch of duplicates. Sorry about the camera angle. Fucking with the camera, fucking with the camera. Fuck. Alright, I'm just gonna open it normally. Fuck doing the drink. Fucking cut myself. Shut up, Indy.
Got a Clefable.
Got this Sudan Wooden.
Wooden.
Got that dude. Snakes.
Got this thing.
Doubles. Red Gyarados! Red Gyarados! Red Gyarados! Got another Red Gyarados. That's like my 3rd one in like the past week.
Oh my fucking god, Red Gyarados!
Oh, we got another Red Gyarados.
Another one.
No. Yes, 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 yes.
Sure.
The legendary as well. What are you on, your last cake?
Yeah. Got an electric
Last
body.
cake. Oh, I see a legendary right off the bat.
What are these bitches? Oh, sweet. She's right off the bat of freaking Lapis.
Oh, I haven't got that card.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yes, yes, I got one of them. I've got a, if I swap you, oh,
Lapis?
Joey.
Yeah.
If I swap you this, can I have that?
Swap
You
you what?
already have one of them. This. I got another one of these called
I've already got one of those at home.
Oh, we got another one of these legendary ones.
Espeon. EX.
I got. What the fuck? I've never seen that. Oh, I've got this one before. Oh, I got a water one.
Lapis.
I got a Red Gyarados again. Again. Another one. And that's all her cards, guys. So, see you in the time lapse of me trying to fucking put them all in my book.